When I say agriculture is the future, I mean it, and yes, agriculture is here to stay because we are breaking boundaries and moving across border to make this thing happen. Guess what? I am in the capital city of Togo, Lomé, which is to do a fish farm, a tarpaulin pond, and we are here to make this happen. Anywhere in the world, we are here to make your success happen. Here we are in the farm to build a 6,000 capacity tarpaulin pond, and everything is getting ready to make this dream come to life. I've been here before in September. I am live here in the capital city of Togo. I came all the way from Nigeria to do a farm visit, and here in December we are here to stand that pond, and the site we are going to be using is somehow ready, and we are going to do everything from beginning to the end. On this farm we have where everything will be staying. We have the storehouse. Here is the land where we'll be doing the tarpaulin pond, which is getting ready. Apart from the grow out section, we are going to be having an hatchery department, which will make things easy for them to hatch. Here in Togo, they want to start something big, something never done before, to make the people of Togo have a taste of catfish farm in their capital city. So follow me on this journey as I make this dream of catfish farming happen in Togo, one of the French speaking country of Africa. Let's go. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today is Tuesday, December 14, 2021, and we are still in Lomé, Togo. Still want to set up the tarpaulin pond for fish farming here in Lomé. I've been here for like 4 days now, putting everything in place. And everything is ready. The tarpaulin is here. The stand is here. The brazies are here, everything is here, and we're about to set up this tarpaulin. We are going to do tilapia fish here as well. We have the space for that already, and yes, we're about to set this up. So let's go and we set up a 6,000 capacity tarpaulin pond here in Lomé, Togo. The first thing that we're going to do, which is our usual tradition, is placing the tarpaulin on the ground, each spot at where we are going to be erecting them, and placing the corresponding iron. What I mean by iron is the legs and the braces with 2 hanger that is going to hold each side of the tarpaulin firmly, and we need to do that. We need to see that each tarpaulin has the right sizes of iron that we're going to use for erecting it. For example, a size of the tarpaulin, the 1,000 capacity, is 10 by 15. So we need to make sure that the right iron is what placed on each tarpaulin, and we are going to be doing that. Same goes for 500 capacity. Like I mentioned earlier, we are doing 1,000 capacity 4 pieces, 500 capacity 5 pieces, and so that is what we are doing present.
Silhouettes in the neon lights, see my reflection in your eyes. Maybe it's love, or maybe the wait is over. Gonna dance on the floor all night, make the most of this one lifetime. It's feeling like love, all the wait is over. We don't gotta fight, we don't gotta fight. day, just a day, just a day away. Ooh, it's just a day, just a day, just a day away. And the wait is over. Ooh, maybe it's love.
Once we are done with setting up one tarpaulin, there is one person that screw the braces to see that it stands firm while they set up the other ones.
Trust and I wanna have in us, but it ain't coming from you, no. Want a girl that's nice, who knows how to treat me right, loves me every day and night, but it ain't coming from you, no. It ain't coming.
With the last guy tried to get in deep, but I went and switched it up. Cause if we talked about the past, he'd wanna talk about mine. Was terrified of what he'd find. Now I tend to evade all emotion. Don't think twice about the person I'm using, or get caught in that old game of guessing, all to avoid getting hurt again. I push them away and dodge every call, drag them through pain and say it's their fault. Go out at night, have sex with strangers, distance myself like second nature. That way when they're leaving, I'll know the reason. I'll know the reason. I'll know the reason. I'll know the reason. Cause if they hurt me when they left, then I'd be back to square one. What I've become, I can't outrun. Now I tend to evade all emotion. Don't think twice about the person I'm using, or get caught in that old game of guessing, all to avoid getting hurt again. I push them away and dodge every call, drag them through pain and say it's their fault. Go out at night, have sex with strangers, distance myself like second nature. That way when they're leaving, I'll know the reason. I'll know the reason. I'll know the reason. I'll know the reason. I'll know the reason.
I was hoping for something more. You kept me waiting for an open door. I bought you flowers on Wednesday night, but all you ever wanted to was fight. I don't even wanna talk anymore. You left me broken on this frozen floor. Take a look at what you left behind. Well, I wasn't the one who lost his mind. All I wanna say is you're the one that got away. If you wanna cry, I wasn't the one who lied. All your darkness was well disguised, and I've heard enough of your sweet lies.
Now we are going to be doing the outlet where we drain the water, the drainage outlet from the tarpaulin. So the first thing we'll do through that is cut the spot. Make sure that we cut the spot not too big, tight but not too tight, something that it will be able to take a pipe that we are going to use as outlet. So cut that spot with the blade, and once we cut it, we put the pipe into the spot that we cut and do the necessary thing. Just watch as we fix the outlet, which is very simple and straightforward. And once we are done with fixing the outlet, then we gum that spot again to make sure that there are no spaces for leakages like I mentioned earlier. Then once that one is done, then we leave our tarpaulin for at least 24 hours before we put water in it to see that okay, there are no leakages. And like I always mention, if you are not going to be using your tarpaulin, and if you are not going to be stocking your tarpaulin with fish anytime soon, it's advisable to always put water inside the tarpaulin so that it doesn't just stay empty. This will not make the tarpaulin to go bad quickly, especially if you are in a very sunny area. I'm still in Lomé, Togo, and we are setting up this 6,000 plus capacity tarpaulin pond. So we are done here setting up the 6,000 capacity tarpaulin pond here in Lomé, Togo. We have the 1,000 capacity, 4 of it, and the 500 capacity, 5 of it, which total is 6,500 capacity tarpaulin pond. When I say we are breaking borders and going beyond boundaries of our land, yes, this is what we are saying, because we are starting something new here and we are just done with everything. Today is Wednesday, December 15. This is a dream come true. So anywhere you are in the world, no matter the country, no matter the state, we'll get to you and we'll make your dream come true. Next up is stocking this place, and we're going to be doing that. Happy 2022 to everyone. Let us make agriculture the future for you.